Hey guys, this is Juan Sosa from Upscale Real Estate. I'm very excited to introduce my newest listing located at 1823 N Van Pelt Street in the city of Philadelphia, just 5 minutes away from Temple University. Come take a look. This is a multi-family duplex, which means you can actually occupy one of the units and rent out the other for some additional income. Wherein the first floor unit consisted of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fully finished basement and rear yard. As you see, we have brand new flooring throughout, high ceilings, brand new cabinetry, quartz countertop, and fully equipped stainless steel appliances. Welcome to level 2, my personal favorite. This is a bilevel unit consisted of a luxury kitchen, open concept to the living room with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, including a master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, porcelain tile leading to the roof deck with amazing views of the city.